Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to rewrite a quadratic function in vertex form by completing the square. Let's begin. So we would like to rewrite the quadratic function f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 6 in vertex form. Then find the vertex and any horizontal intercepts. Okay, so let's recall what vertex form looks like. Vertex form is g of x is equal to a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Since vertex form has parentheses in it, I'm going to rewrite the function f of x using parentheses. So we have f of x is equal to 1 times the quantity x squared plus 6x plus blank minus 6 minus blank. This 1 is the value of a in f of x. And a little later in the video, I will tell you why I put a positive sign inside the parentheses and a negative sign outside the parentheses. But for now, let's figure out what numbers go in the blanks. Go ahead and take a look at the second step in the vertex form. If you expand x minus h all squared, the result is x squared minus 2xh plus h squared. Going back to the original equation, this means that x squared, well, that's the x squared term. The 6x will be the 2xh term, and the number that goes in the blank will be the h squared term. To figure out the value of h, I'm going to set 6 equal to 2h. So we have 2h is equal to 6, which implies that h is equal to 3. That means h squared is equal to 3 squared, which is equal to 9. So in the first blank, I'm going to place a positive 9. In the second blank, I'm going to place a 1 times a positive 9. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the function up a little bit. I'm just going to rewrite it so it looks a little neater. So we have f of x is equal to 1 times x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 6 minus 9. Now the reason why there's a positive sign inside the parenthesis and a negative sign outside of the parenthesis is because if we take 9 and subtract 9, the result is 0. So what we've done is we've basically added 0 to the function. And if you add 0 to a function, it doesn't change the function. We just rewrote 0 as 9 minus 9. Okay, so now that we have this quadratic function, why would we want to create the 9? What was the reason for creating this quadratic function? Well, that's because x squared plus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square and can be rewritten as x plus 3 times x plus 3. So f of x is equal to x plus 3 squared minus 15. This entire process is called completing the square. Okay, so now let's find the vertex and any horizontal intercepts. To find the vertex, I'm going to rewrite f of x as x minus negative 3 all squared minus 15. So the vertex is negative 3, negative 15. For the horizontal intercepts, we need to solve the equation f of x is equal to 0. So I'm going to set the vertex form equal to 0 because it's easier to solve for x using this form. Now I'm going to add 15 to both sides. And then take the square root of both sides. And please do not forget the plus or minus sign in front of the square root. And then subtract 3. So there are two horizontal intercepts. One of them at -3 minus the square root of 15, comma 0, and another one at -3 plus the square root of 15, comma 0. And we are done.